Hello students, welcome once again to our online class. In your previous classes, we have started the chapter 4, that is materials, metals and non-metals. We have already discussed about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. And in our previous video, we have already discussed about the chemical properties of metal and non-metal. And in chemical properties of metals and non-metals, we have already discussed about the reaction of metals with oxygen, and we conclude that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the reaction of nonmetals with oxygen. So let's discuss it. So let us now observe the reaction of nonmetals with oxygen through activity 4.4, and this activity should be demonstrated by the teacher in the class. Take a small amount of powder sulfur in a deflagrating spoon and heat it. If deflagrating spoon is not available, you may take a metallic cap of any bottle and wrap a metallic wire around it and give it a shape as shown in the figure 4.4a. As soon as the sulfur starts burning, introduce the spoon into the gas jar or gas tumbler. Cover the tumbler with a lid to ensure that the gas produced does not escape, and remove the spoon after some time. Add a small quantity of water into the tumbler and quickly replace the lid. Shake the tumbler well and check the solution with red and blue litmus paper. So students, in this activity, take a small amount of powder sulfur in a deflagrating spoon. So this is a deflagrating spoon which is used in science laboratory, and if deflagrating spoon is not present or not available, you may take a metallic cap of any bottle and a metallic wire, and you may make your own deflagrating spoon. And डिफ्लेगेटिंग स्पून में हम कुछ सल्फ़र लेंगे और उसको हीट करेंगे. जब सल्फ़र बर्निंग होने के लिए स्टार्ट करेगा तब हम उसको एक ग्लास टम्बलर के अंदर डाल देंगे स्पून को, एंड उसको हम एक लीड से ढक देंगे और ये इंश्योर करेंगे कि उसमें से गैस बाहर निकल के नहीं जा पाएंगे. और आफ्टर सम टाइम हम वो स्पून को आउट करेंगे और उसके अंदर पानी डाल के हम उसको अच्छे से हिलाएंगे और चेक करेंगे whether the solution acidic or basic by using the litmus paper. That means by using red and blue litmus paper. So what happened? Let us discuss about it. So in this reaction, the name of product formed, that is sulfur and oxygen that reacts with each other. So sulfur dioxide gas is formed, and when sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, sulfurous acid is formed. The reaction is given as below: sulfur dioxide SO2 plus water H2O, so sulfurous acid. तो हम डिफ्लेगेटिंग स्पून में सल्फर लिए थे और उसको जब हम जलाए थे तो वो ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करके उसमें सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड SO2 गैस निकला. फिर हम उसमें वाटर डाल के उसको जब हिलाए, दैट मीन्स SO2 प्लस H2O, तो सल्फरस एसिड हुआ. तो जब हम लिटमस पेपर में उसको टेस्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? द ब्लू लिटमस चेंजेस इनटू रेड बिकॉज sulfurous acid is present in the tumbler. So the sulfur acid that turns blue litmus to red. So from this we conclude that oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. That means oxides of metals, they are basic in nature, and oxides of metals, they are acidic in nature. Recall the name of some of the laboratory acid and base you have read in class 7th. Note down their names in table 4.4. Identify the metal and non-metal present in them which forms oxide with oxygen. So, यहाँ पर तुम लोगों को एक टेबल दिया गया है. तुम लोगों को वो टेबल में क्या करना है? नेम ऑफ द बेस लिखना है वो, और उसमें कौन सा मेटल है वो लिखना है. नेम ऑफ द एसिड लिखना है और उसमें कौन सा नॉन मेटल हमें लिखना है. जैसे कि अभी इस एक्टिविटी में हम पढ़े कि जो कि है मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स आर बेसिक इन नेचर एंड नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. दैट मीन्स एसिड में नॉन मेटल्स होते हैं और बेस में मेटल्स होते हैं. तो uh, let us discuss table 4.4. Name of the base. One example is given for you, calcium hydroxide, and the metal present is calcium. Okay. Um, Name of the base, that is sodium hydroxide, and the metal present is sodium. Potassium hydroxide, the metal present is potassium. Magnesium hydroxide, the metal present is magnesium. Next, name of the acid, that is sulfuric acid. Name of the metal present, non-metal present, that is sulfur. Then name of nitric acid, the name of non-metal which is present in nitric acid, that is nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Name of the acid, citric acid, and non-metal present is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Name of the acid, acetic acid. The non-metal present is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So students, you have to write, complete this table in your book, and also write it in your science copy. Okay. So students, this is all about today. In our next class, we will discuss about reaction with water. So that's all. Thank you.